Stebnitz Builders. We're at the 2015 Lakeland Builders Association Expo. I just want to stop at this one booth, the student woodworking competition. These guys need a lot of credit for the things they do. Take a look at some of these things. Starting with game tables. Look at these different. Using different species within the different stainings. And the things we're seeing a lot of now are the rustic, reclaimed wood products. One I really wanted to show you, as we get over here, let's take a look at this one. These will all be judged today and be handed out. This is a walnut desk. Just a beautiful piece. Great talent out there. It's good for our industry to know that there's some excellent woodworkers coming up. Thanks so much.